Hey, what's going on, folks? I just received an email from the Two Nuts, and they sent me a link to a new Milwaukee 2 that is very interesting. Here we go over here. Just take a look at the picture. It looks like a ratchet. Yeah, it looks like a long ratchet, but this is actually an impact wrench. Here we go. The Milwaukee M12 fuse straight impact wrenches. Available in 3/8 and half-inch anvils. The starting price is $199. Wow, look at the size of the head. Very interesting. Looks pretty beefy too. All right, let's see some of the specs. Up to 220 foot-pounds of torque. Impressive. Brushless motor technology. Protects against over-tightening. Bolt removal mode. This is the part I find most interesting, the bolt removal mode. I'm assuming that you can actually lock the anvil and use it as a breaker bar. Milwaukee, they made one of these right angle impact wrenches before, the M18 models, but they're pretty weak. I think they're around 30 to 60 foot-pounds of torque. But the problem with them is that they look like ratchets, but their anvils won't lock because they're actually impact wrenches. But it looks like this mode, you can actually lock the anvil, so you can actually use it as a ratchet too. Hmm. Wow, look how beefy this head is again. All right, let's go on with the specs. 2.8 inches compact. I'm assuming that's the size of the head. This one looks like it's a kit with the 2 compact batteries and a charger and a case. Up to 220 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Oh, it's nut busting torque. They don't tell you what's the regular torque. Okay, right here they got a picture of the head size. Yeah, it's 2.8 inches. What the size of the head, not including the anvil. And the length of the tool is 14.2 inches. That's all the info they give us. But this is interesting. I'm very interested in this impact wrench. You could get into a lot of tight spaces with this. But I do find it hard to believe that this little tiny head could produce 220 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, I don't know what kind of a hammering mechanism they use, but my God, 220 in that little head. That will be interesting to see. Well, assuming this is a legit tool, because they don't give you a model number or anything, and the link that they gave me is actually empty on the other side now. They removed the listing on the two nut website. They removed the listing already, so they don't give you any specs or model number or anything. All I got is this email now. Well, let's hope it's true, and then let's hope it comes out soon too, because I really like this. All right, folks, take it easy now. Oh, anyway, if anybody has any more info about this too, can you please link it and let me know? Thank you.